Hey kids, let's learn fruits today. Sing along, it's time to play. From apples to coconuts, let's explore. Fruity fun and so much more. Apples red and apples green. Crunchy, juicy, healthy dream. Take a bite and feel the cheer. Apples, apples, bring them here. Strawberries, so red and bright. Sweet and juicy, a pure delight. Pick them fresh, they taste so fine. Strawberries, a treat divine. Pomegranates, seeds like gems. Juicy bursts, we're loving them. Open up and take a taste. Pomegranates, don't let them waste. Pineapple, so tropical and bright. Sweet and tangy, such a delight. Cut it up and take a bite. Pineapple makes everything right. Mango, mango, juicy and sweet. Golden goodness, such a treat. Peel it, slice it, have some fun. Mangoes for everyone. Pears are juicy, pears are sweet. A tasty snack that can't be beat. Crunchy, soft, they're oh so fine. Pears are perfect anytime. Papaya, papaya, orange and bright. Tropical flavor, what a delight. Scoop the seeds and slice it up. Papaya's perfect in your cup. Clementines, easy to peel. Sweet and tangy, what a deal. Pop them in, enjoy the taste. Clementines, no time to waste. Apricots, so small and sweet. Soft and chewy, what a treat. Fresh or dried, they're oh so nice. Apricots are paradise. Coconuts with water so clear. Refreshing, tasty, bring them here. Crack them open, take a sip. Coconuts make our hearts flip. Fruits are tasty.